Reinhard Justus Reginald Selten is a German economist, who won the 1994 Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences. He is also well known for his work in bounded rationality, and can be considered as one of the founding fathers of experimental economics. Biography. Selten was born in Breslau in Lower Silesia, now in Poland, to a Jewish father, Adolf Selten, and Protestant mother, Kathy Luther. Reinhard Selten raised as Protestant. He studied mathematics at the Goethe University in Frankfurt and obtained his diploma in 1957. He then worked as scientific assistant to Heinz Sauermann until 1967. In 1959, he married with Elisabeth Langreiner. They had no children. In 1961 he also received his doctorate in Frankfurt in mathematics with a thesis on the evaluation of n-person games. He was a visiting professor at Berkeley, and taught from 1969 to 1972 at the Free University of Berlin and from 1972 to 1984 at the University of Bielefeld. He then accepted a professorship at the University of Bonn. There he built the Bonn Econ Lab, a laboratory for experimental economic research, on which he has been active even after his retirement. Selten is Professor Emeritus at the University of Bonn, Germany, and holds several honorary doctoral degrees. He has been an Esperantist since 1959, and met his wife through the Esperanto movement. He is a member and co-founder of the International Academy of Sciences San Moreno. For the European Parliament election, 2009, he was the top candidate for the German wing of Europe, Democracy, Esperanto. Work. For his work in game theory, Selten won the 1994 Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences. See also subgame perfect Nash equilibrium. He is also well known for his work in bounded rationality, and can be considered as one of the founding fathers of experimental economics. He developed an example of a game called Selten's Horse because of its extensive form representation. He is noted for his publishing in non-refereed journals to avoid being forced to make unwanted changes to his work. Bibliography. Preispolitik der Mehrprodukten und Unternehmung der statistischen Theorie, Berlin Heidelberg New York. Springer Verlag. In German. General Equilibrium with Price-Making Firms. Lecture Notes in Economics and Mathematical Systems, Berlin Heidelberg New York. Springer Verlag. A General Theory of Equilibrium Selection in Games, Cambridge, Massachusetts. MIT Press. Models of Strategic Rationality, Theory and Decision Library, Series C. Game Theory, Mathematical Programming and Operations Research, Dordrecht, Boston, London. Kluwer Academic Publishes. Encongico en la tierra en de lingvaj ludoj, cu mi lernu Esperanton. Berlin Paderborn. Academia Libro Servo, Institut für Kybernetik. In Esperanto. Game Theory and Economic Behavior. Selected Essays. Volume Cheltenham, Northampton. Edward Elgar Publishing. New edition of Models of Strategic Rationality, with a Chinese introduction. Outstanding academic works on economics by Nobel Prize winners. Dordrecht, Boston, London. Kluwer Academic Publishes. Chinese translation of Models of Strategic Rationality. Outstanding academic works on economics by Nobel Prize winners. Dordrecht, Boston, London. Kluwer Academic Publishes. Russian translation of A General Theory of Equilibrium Selection in Games, Cambridge, Massachusetts. MIT Press.